Okay, right, where's the first forfeit?
You have to have a harmonica in your mouth for the whole next round.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's not bad, that's not bad.
That's fine.
Nice. All right, nice. Now he's locked in, bro.
Oh, shit. Have they got the new line?
Oh, shit. Okay. Take your pick. Oh, okay.
If you give Hines a long one, pause.
Oh, Jesus
Crying out loud.
I'll fuck your dad.
What's it even mean?
Go with that.
It's almost the same as the card, to be honest.
Here we go.
I'm Amy and I'm 31.
Hi, I'm Anita, and I'd wank your dad off just to find out where you came from.
Oh, what does... Jesus.
My dad's dead.
In a way.
Same, bitch! I love you. I love you.
Christ.